Brightspace Creator Plus subscribers can create a presentation by launching the Capture app from the Media Library. Create Presentation provides a simple way to capture your screen and webcam for quick demonstrations and presentations, and then add them to Media Library. Before you start recording, in the Media Library, select the Options button to select your preference for HD or SD recording to a maximum of 720p. Set your security and privacy settings to allow the Capture app to access your camera, microphone, and screen recording. Click Add and select Create Presentation. Click Launch, and then click Record. Add a title and description for your recording, and then choose a layout. Select Camera and Screen to create a video using the combination of webcam and desktop feed. This option enables you to switch the view between both feeds. Select Camera to create a video using the feed from your webcam, or select Screen to create a video using the feed from your desktop. Click Start to begin your recording, and when you finish your recording, click Finish.